friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make a portrait video into a landscape video. Are you ready? First, you have to go to your KineMaster application, click on it, look for the plus sign and click on it. For the aspect ratio, let's try to choose 16.9. It is the best for YouTube videos. On the upper right corner of your KineMaster interface, you click Media and then click Background. For this project, I'll be choosing the white background. That serves my purpose. And then you can also adjust it like that one. This time, let's put a layer on our project. So click on the layer. Then click on media because we'll be choosing our video, the portrait video that we have. I'll click camera because it is where my video is. Here it is. Oh no, this is not the video, so I'll delete it. Then I'll go back to layer and then click media, click camera, and then select the portrait video that we'll be using. So I'll choose this one there, and then okay, you stretch the video up to the edge of the screen so that it will become a landscape one. Boom! There you have it. Look at the white background that we're using. This is small, so it does not fit with the video, so all we have to do is to stretch that to the end of the video. As you can see, it is very easy to do it. Okay, we're nearly there. That's it. This time, let us try to watch the video from the very beginning. Presto! A thing to ponder upon. When you do something to the best that you can, nothing is impossible. Just do it! Thank you for watching. Till next vlog!